So before we start, let's check the version I am using. So let's go to settings, and as you can see from here, I am using version 8.7. So now that we have checked the version, let's open a project. Now, after opening a new project, I will add a video to the timeline and add a filter. So I will add the 4K filter to the timeline and extend it to match the main video. And after editing your video, here comes the issue when you try to export your project. So if you click on the export button and you see this dialog telling you can't export your video, then you are not alone in this situation. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with this issue. The first thing is to go back to your project. Then highlight everything on the timeline. Then right-click on it and create a compound clip. And after creating the compound clip, head to the Basic tab on the Attribute panel. Then scroll down till you find Motion Blur, then check on the box beside it to add it to your compound clip. Now drag this slider under the motion blur to 0. Then wait for your video to be processed and your motion blur will be added. And this can take a bit long depending on the length of your video. After your motion blur has been added and the video has finished processing, come to the taskbar and open the File Explorer, which is this folder here on the taskbar. After the File Explorer opens, come to the left side here and click on this PC. Then open your local disk C drive. So if you have multiple drives, open disk C. Now after opening the disk C drive, look for the Users folder and open. Inside the Users folder, open My PC folder. And inside My PC folder, open the App Data folder. And if you can't find yours, come and click on the View tab right here. And under the Show or Hide section, check the box for hidden items. Now open App Data folder. And inside the App Data folder, open the local folder. Now look for CapCut folder and open it. Inside CapCut folder, open the User's Data folder. Now here open the Cache folder. Then look for Motion Blur folder and open it. And this is exactly what we are looking for. So just drag it to the timeline in CapCut. Now delete the old video. Then click on Export. And now, as you can see, you can now export your video with no issues. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and also give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.